According to information published by Associated Press on November 11, 2024, China is advancing toward the construction of its first nuclear-powered aircraft carrier, according to an analysis of satellite imagery and Chinese government documents. China has built a land-based prototype nuclear reactor for a large surface warship. In the clearest sign yet, Beijing is advancing toward producing the nation's first nuclear-powered aircraft carrier, according to a new analysis of satellite imagery and Chinese government documents provided to the Associated Press. The revelation, based on research conducted by the Middlebury Institute of International Studies, points to the development of a land-based prototype nuclear reactor in the mountains near Leshan, Sichuan Province, under a classified project known as the Longwei or Dragon Might Project. China's naval modernization has been rapid and transformative. Already the world's largest navy in terms of ship numbers, the People's Liberation Army Navy has increasingly focused on developing a true blue water force capable of projecting power far beyond its shores. Nuclear-powered carriers would offer unprecedented operational range and endurance, allowing China to extend its influence across critical maritime regions like the Western Pacific and South China Sea. The Middlebury researchers identified the prototype reactor at a site called Base 909, located 70 miles southwest of Chengdu. The facility is managed by the Nuclear Power Institute of China, a subsidiary of the China National Nuclear Corporation. Satellite images from 2020 to 2023 reveal extensive construction, including water intake infrastructure and housing for the reactor, which aligns with naval propulsion requirements. Supporting documents, including environmental impact studies and procurement records, detail the acquisition of reactor equipment intended for installation on a large surface warship. This aligns with China's Type 004 carrier program. China's existing carriers, the Liaoning, Shandong, and the Type 003 Fujian, are conventionally powered. The Fujian, launched in 2022, introduced electromagnetic launch systems, but remains limited in operational range compared to nuclear-powered counterparts. China's nuclear-powered carrier initiative represents a strategic leap that could alter regional security dynamics. With its focus on the First Island chain and beyond, Beijing is positioning itself to challenge U.S. naval dominance and assert greater control over disputed maritime regions, including Taiwan and the South China Sea. As the PLAN transitions from a near-seas defense strategy to far-seas operations, the global community is left to grapple with the implications of an increasingly powerful Chinese Navy. For now, the Longwei project serves as a stark reminder of the rapid pace at which China's military-industrial complex is evolving.